Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity, guys. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the price changes occur in the AXS Infinity. What's the price changes occur in the AXS Infinity? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos. Guys, the current live price changes occur in the AXS Infinity in the market is going wrong due to the last half month, because in the last half month a lot of coin changes is going negative. Just look here, if you look the price of the which in 71.23 cent, 71.23 cent is the current price of the AXS in the market, guys. 71.23 cent, that is the current price of the AXS Infinity. And other side, guys, if we talk about the changes occur in AXS Infinity, so the latest situation, just look here, guys. Last one hour changes of the AXS Infinity is going negative, except of the latest situation, the last 1 week changes occur in the AXS Infinity is going positive. Let me show you the price chart. You can see, you guys, that the last 3 days. Now, guys, in these days I found a lot of coin. I checked a lot of coin price chart, price prediction. So totally I found a lot of coin is going negative due to the last of August, and at the last of August the price decrease. So guys, that's not mean that you decide to sell, guys. No, never decide to sell, just hold for a long time, because guys, that is a crap to sometime price falls down, sometime price jumps, pumps, guys. So please don't decide to sell and don't take it serious. Just hold it, guys. Just hold. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about AXS Infinity? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.